Hello and welcome once again to the Daily Message. Throughout this week, I'm going to be dealing with some questions that I'm inviting us to ask ourselves as we approach the season of autumn. And the question that I want to pose today is, what will I do between now and the end of the year to come to a deeper appreciation of my own goodness? What will I do to come to a deeper awareness of just what a good person I am? Now, I know for many of us to talk about our goodness or talk about what we're good at or anything like that was considered not good. It was considered to be walking on that fence toward the sin of pride. But I think as we've gone through our lives, we've come to realize that that is not false humility to acknowledge the goodness that we have. Rather, that's true humility, because humility is truth. Humility is knowing and appreciating and valuing the goodness that we have, the truth that is us. And where does that goodness come from? That goodness comes from God. We know from our Christian faith, we know from our scriptures that we are made in the very image of God. And for that reason alone, each of us is very, very good. So whenever we love someone else, whenever we forgive someone else, whenever we show compassion, when we turn a listening ear to someone, when we do a favor for someone, when we help someone out, when we allow someone else to help us, we are acknowledging the goodness that is in us and the goodness that is in others. And when we do that, we are first and foremost acknowledging the goodness of God, which is with us and which is in us and among us. And so let's ask ourselves, what goodness has God given to me? How do I reflect the very image of God? Thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful day.